Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Dell model and BIOS version. This matters because firmware controls power policies. Plug the laptop into AC and remove external drives so nothing interferes. Open Windows Power Options, then launch Dell Power Manager if installed. These panels show active profiles and thresholds. Once done, check sleep, display, and adapter settings. Make sure sleep is not set too aggressively. This first sweep isolates software rules from hardware faults, so you can proceed with focused fixes. Next, update BIOS and chipset drivers. Use Dell Support Assist or download installers. Firmware often fixes errant sleep behavior. Then change power plan to balanced or high performance. Disable fast startup and turn off hybrid sleep. In advanced power options, set PCI Express and USB selective, suspend to disabled so devices don't trigger power save. Adjust display timeout and require sign-in on Wake to match your workflow. These steps correct software-triggered power saving and reduce unexpected sleep transition. Finally, run powercug/requests and powercug/energy to pinpoint drivers or apps forcing sleep. You can then update or remove the culprit. If problems persist, reset BIOS to defaults, perform a clean boot to rule out startup apps, and run Dell Diagnostics from the boot menu to check hardware. Reseat the battery or CMOS if removable. Make sure connectors are snug. If none of this resolves the issue, contact Dell Support with your service tag. Provide logs and steps you've taken for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.